When I was traveling to Romania, I asked a few of my friends who were already living there for suggestions about the places to visit. And the place that came up the most was Brasov, almost in between the region of Transylvania and Wallachia. 2 kilometers चलते हैं. It's 12:40. We are in Brasov. We don't know what we're doing yet, but hopefully check in the Airbnb and see where we can go from there.
Let's go and we'll figure it out.
पता नहीं है
because इसमें वो direction सही नहीं ना बताता compass की वजह से. When we go we'll figure it out. Okay, we are going in the wrong way.
There's no use of Google. क्या फ़ायदा ऐसे नेविगेशन का. आगे चलो, आगे चलो, फिर बताऊंगा.
It happens with me.
बहुत खुशी. This is why I don't like dogs. जहाँ जहाँ जाओ ना साथ साथ ये बोलते हैं, पता लगता है आपकी लोकेशन किधर. Natural alarm system.
Good thing is that dogs can't
Climb?
cross fences yet.
That's what you think.
They cannot. They got triggered.
Oh yeah, छोटा सा. Oh shit. Sorry. This is the Airbnb, a little bit of kitchen, a little bit of half, the living room, and a map.
Black Tower.
So they have this app. So
Everything
download
is
the app.
pretty much like 5 kilometers or more away. Should we call an Uber then?
नहीं
Or you want
क्यों
to
5
walk?
किलोमीटर तो चल सकते हैं. ये क्या काउंसिल स्क्वायर.
Yep.
काउंसिल स्क्वायर चलते हैं.
Okay.
I can walk that far. Okay, now we leave for the Council Square, which is around in the center of the city, and everything from there is really close to each other. If you don't want anyone to park in your place, you do this. Voila. Romania. Green. Oh, yeah, there. Oh, yeah. What? Things to do in Russia. Right there, na? Before coming to Romania, I thought Brasov was a small town only famous for being the gateway to the more famous places in Transylvania, like the Bran Castle. But to my surprise, Brasov is a huge city with much history and tourist attractions in itself. Things to do in Brasov. Andre Mureșanu. Things to do in Brasov. Visit Uncle Andre Mureșanu. वो देखो आप Black Tower.
How is that Black Tower, man?
Black Tower.
That's just a building.
It is called
Which is
Black
white.
Tower. नहीं इसका नाम है Black Tower.
You sure?
Confirm 100% sure.
Okay.
Black Tower. I don't know why it's called the Black Tower, but the mighty Black Church. बड़ा कितना है? It is huge. You see the people over there? Small people. The Black Church is also known as the Gothic Church in Romania. The name of the church came from the fire from 1600 when the roof and the interior furniture was completely destroyed. The walls were darkened by the smoke of the fire, and people started calling it the Black Church. The history, however, even dates further back to around 13th century.
I think 1660. Damage fire. आइसक्रीम चाहिए मेरे को.
We have to go this way, I think this way.
दिखा पास ही है ना.
Kind of इस building से
वही
back
है
way.
वही है. मुझे आइसक्रीम आ रही है.
Not the Black Tower, man.
आइसक्रीम आ रही है. If that is not the Black Tower, you owe me ice cream.
Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise you owe me dinner.
ठीक है बैठ. This
Now
is
this is the same building from the other side.
this is disappointing. Nah. ये ब्लैक टावर.
Yes.
ब्लैक टावर अगर सर्च करो तो ये आता है.
Yes.
If you type ये रास्ता.
See?
I
Black Tower Wikipedia.
don't know.
Same
What
building.
is that then?
That is just some
What the hell is that then?
random building which you were saying
Okay.
was Black Tower.
वो क्या था?
Okay.
वो भी कुछ था.
That is the Black Tower. See, picture is the same.
एरो उधर का आ रहा.
हाँ, चलो इधर देख लेते हैं.
That is the Black Tower. This is the way, hopefully, to all three of those places.
No, one of the ways is, I think there.
Wanna bet?
No, no, I've already won.
Reached my goal.
How much?
Nah? 15,000. 15,000. That's not too much. Have the information about Brasov and the Black Tower
And
Or-
some graffiti.
and some amendments by the local artist community. Hello.
Dragging my feet on an empty beach. My heart is awake, but my brain is asleep, and I don't know. Water comes crashing onto my skull. My feet on the ground, but it feels like a fall, and I don't wanna know.
ये ऊपर ही तो है. ये क्या है? White Tower. हाँ ये.
इधर से भी रास्ता है ना?
Oh, that was White Tower then.
What was?
That was White Tower.
वो White Tower वही है ऊपर से.
ये है वही कह रहा हूँ. That was क्या कह रहा है? मैं तो नहीं थका.
This was the easier way.
मैं तो नहीं थका.
All the love songs
Yeah, I can see.
are wrong.
मैं तो नहीं थका हुआ. तो थका हुआ.
All the love songs.
We have to climb 1,000
all the
stairs
love songs
to reach
are wrong.
the White Tower.
All the love songs, all the love songs are wrong. Dragging my feet on an empty
Everywhere in YouTube, they will tell you about the Black Church or the Black Cathedral that you can visit in Brasov, but no one tells you there is also a White Church. I don't know if that's the name of it, surely not, but it is white, so we're calling it White Church.
My feet on the ground.
Is it a church? I don't know, but it has the cross on it and the domes and everything. It is probably a church.
All the love songs are wrong. All the love songs, all the love songs are wrong.
things to do in Brasov.
Left वाले से.
All the love songs are wrong.
अब start हो गया.
अभी स्टार्ट होने लगा.
हो जाएगा.
Oh shit, पहले क्या था?
ये तो रोड है.
ट्रेलर था.
पहले ट्रेलर था. अब आगे मतलब
ग्रीनरी, सैफ की ग्रीनरी देखें. सैफ की ग्रीनरी देखें ज़रा. दिस इज ग्रीन.
on the map.
वेयर इज द ग्रीन?
On the map. $750.
Behind enemy lines. And you get the observational deck, and if you come at after sunset or near sunset, you get the whole place to yourself. हिम्मत पता कर.
क्या था square?
ये है रास्ता नीचे जाने का.
Square का नाम क्या था?
ये क्या है? नजर नहीं आ रहा है इसमें तो.
Because there isn't anything there. Council Square.
नहीं है, देखे तो बिल्कुल खत्म
है,
यहाँ पे कुछ
है ही खत्म.
यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है.
Yeah.
Okay, so after successfully getting down, there's another thing that we want to see is Safari Street or Rope Street, which is possibly one of the narrowest streets in the whole world. Definitely in the Europe, probably also in the whole world, which was used during the fire for the firefighters to reach different places within the city to fix that or put out the fire. So we're gonna take a look how narrow it is. 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. and it's empty. Can't read anything. Strada Sfori. Strada Sfori. This is the street. And this is open for graffiti. मैंने सुना यहाँ पे वो आप अपने messages लिख के जाते हो. You can write your messages. I don't understand anything, but there are drawings as well. Okay. पसंद आई? पास है street. Okay. One of the narrowest streets in the world.
In the Europe.
In the world.
No, in the Europe.
In the world भी लिखा था कहीं पे. Depends on which article you read. So this is the end of the street. Huh. Okay.
And this is also the end of our day in Brasov. The next place we visited was the famous Dracula's castle, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Until then, take care, keep exploring, and peace.